Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to accept Apple Cash from a text message. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Locate the conversation where you received the Apple Cash payment. You will see an Apple Cash card embedded directly within the message thread. This card represents the money sent to you. Simply tap on it to begin the acceptance process. It's a straightforward way to manage your funds right from your device, ensuring you can quickly access your money with just a few taps. Once you tap the Apple Cash card in your message, a prompt will appear on your screen. This prompt will ask you to confirm that you wish to accept the payment. To proceed, simply tap the Accept button or the Add to Wallet option. This action immediately adds the funds to your Apple Cash balance, making them available for your use. It's a quick and secure way to receive money from friends and family. After accepting the payment, the funds are automatically added to your Apple Cash card, which resides within your Wallet app. From there, you have several convenient options. You can use this balance to make purchases wherever Apple Pay is accepted, both online and in stores. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can easily transfer the entire amount or a portion of it directly to your linked bank account for greater flexibility. To transfer your Apple Cash balance to your bank account, open the Wallet app and select your Apple Cash card. Then, tap the three dots icon, usually found in the top right corner, and choose Transfer to Bank. You'll need to enter the specific amount you wish to transfer and confirm your bank details. Please note that these transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to fully process and appear in your bank account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.